Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Agiled. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Agiled is an all-in-one business management platform which helps businesses to manage all of their business operations in one integrated place. So by using Agiled, I have created this contact form. So my objective is that whenever a user is going to submit this form, then I want to create a contact in my Agiled account and want to get the details of the contact. That means want to get the details of the form submission over here in Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to set up a connection between Agiled and Pabbly Connect in order to do that. So I will go to this trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Agiled as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new contact. So this trigger will start working whenever a new contact will be added. So to add a new contact, I have created a form using Agiled, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically a contact will be created in Agiled and the details of the form submission and the contact will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So from this trigger event window, you can select any other trigger event as per your requirement. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Agiled account with Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my Agiled account. So this here is my Agiled account dashboard. So over here I will go to settings and here in settings I will go to custom webhooks. And here in custom webhooks, I am going to create a new webhook. So firstly, I'm going to select the trigger event that will be of contact creation. So this is the same trigger event which we have selected in Pabbly Connect as well. Now moving to the URL. So I need to copy this webhook URL that is given in Pabbly Connect and over here in this field, I need to paste it. So once I've done that, now I'm going to click on submit. And over here you can see that a webhook has been created successfully for contact creation. That means now whenever a new contact will be created in my Agiled account, then automatically the details will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So as I've mentioned before that to create a new contact in my Agiled account, I have created a form. So over here in Pabbly Connect as well, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do a test submission, I'm going to submit this form. So here let's say that the first name is current, the last name is user, and the email address is current user 123@pabblytudes.com. And now I'm going to mention a dummy mobile number that will be this. Now I'm going to submit this form. So here it says thanks for submission. That means we have successfully submitted this form and a contact would have been created in my Agiled account and the response of this form submission would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to my Agiled account. So over here in my Agiled account under contacts, you can see that a new contact has been created by the name of current user. Here you can see the email address and the role is of a lead. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received the response. So over here in the response received, I've got the details. You can see the role. Over here you can see the phone number. This here is the last name and over here is the ID of this contact. Here is the full name and the first name along with the email address and the created date and time. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I've successfully got the details of the new contact that has been created in my Agiled account through a form submission. So here that means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Agiled. Now whenever a new contact will be created in my Agiled account through a form submission, then automatically the details of that form submission, that means the contact details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as over here I've got the details of the contact. Now going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the data of this contact. So as I've got the details over here in Pabbly Connect, so that means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Agiled. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.